start. To make a 120-degree angle, I know that I can make an equilateral triangle by putting a point anywhere on a line segment, and then all I have to do is I have to measure between my 2 points, and then if I find that distance and make an arc from that point and an arc from that point, I automatically have an equilateral triangle. With an equilateral triangle, all the sides are the same. That means all the angles are the same, so they're all 60 degrees. Because 180 divided by 3 equals 60 degrees. Okay, so that's 60, 60, and 60. Okay, I'm going to do that again. So watch me do it again. I put a point anywhere on my line. I use my compass to measure that distance, and then I draw an arc to find that line. So there's the line, and I'm going to join it. Okay, so I know that that would make an equilateral triangle. So this angle is 60 degrees. I also see that this is a line, a straight line. Straight lines always add up to 180 degrees also. So if I do 180 minus 60, I will be left with 120. So that means this angle is 120 degrees. I'm going to use this for my 120 degree angle for question 11B. Now I need, because I need a triangle that has 120 degrees, 45 degrees, and 15 degrees. I'm going to do the same thing on this one right here that I did here. So to make this angle, I used this measurement. To do this one, I'm going to use the longer measurement that's right here. And from this point, I'm going to make an arc. And from this point, I'm going to make an arc. So I did exactly the same thing I did here. I'm going to make that angle again. So I know that this angle is 60 degrees. Now, if this angle is 60 degrees, I can bisect it. Because if I bisect it, I'm dividing it by 2. And that's going to give me 30 degrees. So just going to draw an arc across to bisect my angle. So now this angle is 30 degrees. I need to get down to 15, but I know that 30 divided by 2 is 15. So if I bisect this angle again, I'm going to divide 30 by 2. I will get down to 15 degrees. So now I have an angle here that's 15 degrees. And 15 plus 120 is equal to 135. And if I do 180 minus 135, that will leave me with my 45-degree angle. So that means this has to be 45 degrees. So there's my triangle. I'm going to make it darker so you can see it. So that is one way to answer on page 314, 11B.